1998 Ford Ranger. What size motor? 4.0. 4.0. We just did straight pipe duals with a glass pack. Go ahead. Much better. Glass. It's good we put that glass back on the thing. Sound decibels again. 95. Go ahead and back it out. So we put a glass back on it, wide pipe, and straight pipes off the back with 3-inch tips. Oh, not 3-inch, I'm sorry. 2.5-inch tips. Get on it! Show these young pepper snappers how it's done. There you go. That's awesome. I think he's in his 70s. That's awesome.